Welcome back. From newbie to pro, the ultimate affiliate marketing journey. If you're new here, my name is Dan from D Squared Marketplace. We're glad you're here today. Now, last week we dove into what affiliate marketing is and why it's such a great business model. If you missed it, you can go back to our YouTube channel and find out after this one. We talked about how affiliate marketing gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, the potential for passive income, and how you don't need to create your own product. Seriously, you can build a full business without ever creating your own thing. But today we're getting into something even more crucial, something that can make or break your affiliate marketing success, and that's choosing the right niche. Affiliate marketing is awesome because you can partner with a business and get paid for promoting their products. But, and this is a big but, if you're promoting anything and everything, you're setting yourself up for failure. You have to choose the right niche. A niche isn't just some random market, it's your space to dominate. It's your corner of the internet where you become the go to expert. And that's what's going to drive your affiliate marketing success. Now, if you're thinking, how the heck do I find a niche? Don't worry. We're going to break it down for you in this video today. But before we dive into this process of finding your own niche, if you're excited about mastering affiliate marketing and want to keep leveling up, make sure you hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the D Squared Marketplace YouTube channel. We drop value-packed videos every week and you don't want to miss a single one. Plus, there's a special gift waiting for you at the end of this video, so make sure you stick around. All right, let's get real. The first key to success in affiliate marketing is not just picking any niche, but finding the right one for you. Why? Because without a niche, you're essentially just throwing spaghetti at a wall and hoping some of it sticks. But when you nail your niche, your message, your offers, they all start connecting with your audience like wildfire. It's like trying to catch a fish without a fishing rod or throwing a net in the ocean and hoping something swims into it. A targeted niche makes your marketing more powerful because you're speaking directly to the people who want what you're offering. So, how do you find your niche? First up, passion and interest. Ask yourself, what are you obsessed with? What could you talk about nonstop? It doesn't matter how big or how small the market is. When you genuinely passionate about something, that energy will come through in everything you do. For example, if you're crazy about fitness or travel, you've already got the seed for your niche. Passion fuels consistency, and consistency is everything in affiliate marketing. All right, next, think about the problems you can solve. Successful affiliate marketers aren't just selling products, they're providing solutions to problems. What are the pain points in your interest area? People are willing to spend money to make their lives easier, healthier, wealthier, or happier. So whether you're into financial advice, beauty hacks, or gaming gear, figure out the problems in those spaces and align your affiliate offers to solve them. That's where the money is. By the way, if this is all making sense so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. We've got a whole series lined up for you, so you definitely want to stay in the loop. And remember, stay with us all the way to the end. We've got a free gift for you. Finally, you need to check if there's market demand. A passionate niche is awesome, but if people aren't spending their money in that space, you're going to have a hard time making affiliate sales. So do your research. Jump on Google, look at what's trending on social media, or use tools like Google Trends and Amazon bestsellers to see what's hot. The sweet spot is finding something you're passionate about that also has buying power. That's how you build a profitable niche. Are you seeing the pieces coming together now? Finding the right niche can feel overwhelming, but when you hit that sweet spot, you'll wonder why you didn't start on this journey a whole lot sooner. And this is helping you out. Take a second to like this video and subscribe to D Squared Marketplace. Trust me, this journey is just getting started and you'll want to be here for all of it. Okay, let's bring it all together. Choosing the right niche is the foundation of your affiliate marketing success. It's where your passion, the problems you can solve, and the market demand meet. You find that intersection and you're golden. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your biggest challenges in either getting started with affiliate marketing or finding your niche? Drop it in the comments below and we'll send you a free gift from D Squared Marketplace to help you out. And don't forget, next week, we're diving into the must-have tools for affiliate marketers. You're not going to want to miss this one. Thanks for watching The Importance of Choosing the Right Niche. If you enjoyed this video, please smash that like button and subscribe to the D Squared Marketplace YouTube channel. And we'll see you next week with the must-have tools for affiliate marketers.